Games that claim instant PayPal payouts don't actually pay you the moment you finish playing. They pay after your rewards are processed, and that delay depends on tracking verification and payout system rules inside each app. By the end of this, you'll know 5 game-based apps that pay PayPal cash, how their payout systems actually work, and what separates fast withdrawals from apps that look fast but delay your money. Start with how these instant pay games really function. Every app on this list uses the same structure. You play sponsored mobile games, complete in-game milestones or time requirements, and earn points. Those points convert into PayPal cash once you reach a minimum withdrawal limit and pass basic verification checks. Instant usually means the payout request is processed quickly, not that money appears in your account immediately. First category is reward gaming apps with fast processing. These apps focus on game offers where you earn by installing and completing objectives. They usually process PayPal requests quickly once you hit the threshold, but your actual earnings depend on how many active game offers are available. Second category is offer wall gaming apps. These apps give you structured tasks inside games like reaching levels or completing specific goals. They can pay more per task, but tracking delays are more common because progress must be verified before rewards are approved. Third category is hybrid reward apps with gaming sections. These apps combine games with surveys and small offers. Gaming is only one part of the system, so payout speed depends on what type of reward you earned and how the system categorizes it. Now here's what actually matters when choosing one. The first factor is game availability. If an app doesn't refresh its game offers regularly, you run out of earning options quickly after the first few installs. The second factor is tracking reliability. If your gameplay isn't recorded correctly, you won't get credited even if you completed everything. The third factor is payout structure. Some apps process PayPal withdrawals faster after reaching the minimum, while others require additional verification steps that slow everything down. So instead of chasing instant pay claims, the smarter move is picking apps with consistent game flow and reliable tracking in your region. Summary: PayPal game apps reward you for completing sponsored game tasks, not instant gameplay. Speed depends on tracking, verification, and payout systems. No app guarantees truly instant cash outs every time. Next step: try one gaming reward app and complete a single milestone to test how fast your rewards are tracked and approved. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or misleading instant payout claims.